All right, folks, got it back here, got it located. Nice. I always come up on the back of it. Make sure he's down. Yep, that's it. It's a nice shot. Beautiful, big. This one here ought to raise some eyebrows. Look at this one, folks. Wow.
Nice.
Unbelievable. We got a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What an unusual wreck. Look at this. The tines deep on this one here. Here's the back of it. I think this one here might be on the... Let's get him out here. Awesome. Yep, folks. That's a little bit of calling, learn how to do it. A little persistence pays off. Success in Ohio buck hunting.